Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this explode the balloon filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, here in this effect, you have to pop this balloon from this tiny gap. Okay, to get this effect, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for explode the balloon. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for explode the balloon 3. Okay, tap on the first one.
Okay, well, no.
Okay, here on this video, on the bottom left corner of the video, you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow, just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, just visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it. You got the filter.
No, stop this.
So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video. Let me try to pop. Can I? No. And it's very difficult.